to the ADU unit we discussed in our last video. So this is attached to the townhome. Great space up here. We consider this a studio apartment. So it's a 1 bedroom, 1 bath, and then it has a small kitchen. So the great thing about this is that it can bring additional revenue if you do purchase a townhome. This will be something that's included. You've got a walk-in closet over here. Lots of light in this unit, as you saw when you walked in. There's a kitchen right here. And then off of the kitchen is the pantry, as well as your little washer and dryer, which come with the unit. And then you have the bathroom, which is right in here. Very spacious, perfect for 1 person, potentially 2, to just have a nice space that's right on Main Street. Sometimes we find that people like these units. Maybe a family owns the main townhome and their son or daughter who's maybe in college lives in here, or Airbnb on the weekends, or Airbnb all the time. There's lots of different options that you can do with this. They can bring in a lot of extra revenue that can contribute to your mortgage. So if you do have questions on this, please feel free to give us a call. As previously stated, but again, our number is 970-256-7355. Again, the number is 970-256-7355.